Hello, welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. A dream come true? Well, at least that's how it appears for British rapper Stefflon, who 4 years ago expressed that she wanted to work with dancehall artist Vybz Kartel.
Who's your dream dancehall feature if you were to get
Vybz Kartel.
Okay. I figured. I mean, he's the legend.
Yeah, he's lit. I'm gonna get him on my next project though.
Well, the two have joined forces, releasing a new collab titled Amazing. It's the second time the two are collaborating. Back in 2019, they were featured on XXXTentacion's album Bad Vibes Forever on the track Royalty, which also featured reggae artist Kimani Marley.
You look amazing, girl, you look amazing.
You me look good.
You look amazing, girl, you look amazing.
Stefflon down.
I won't play you like a video game. You're living my dream. Me picture your frame, no Tetris. Check this, you want exist for me. Yeah, you, yeah, we, if you fulfill with destiny.
Jamaica Bridal Expo is back after a one-year break. The annual event features the best local and international wedding professionals. This year's show will be held at Montego Bay Convention Center Rose Hall on the 23rd and 24th of this month. Now, the international scene, Grammy-nominated singer Post Malone, who is currently on his 12-carat tour, suffered a rib injury after falling on stage during his performance in St. Louis, Missouri over the weekend. Malone later found his strength to return to the stage and apologize to the fans for ruining the show. He then went on to finish his performance. The artist later assured his fans that he was doing okay and was grateful for the support he received.
I just want to apologize to everyone in St. Louis, and I want to say thank you guys so much for coming to the show, and next time I'm around this way, we're going to do a 2-hour show for you so we can make up for the couple missed songs that we missed, and thank you guys for your support, and thank you for your love, and thanks for hanging around.
I'm Daedran reporting for E Prime. Thank you for watching.